Starliner SL25, a Swiss company, specializes in turning regular trucks into luxurious motorhomes at their factory in Portugal. They work on vehicles from top brands like IO and Mercedes. You can either choose from their ready-made designs or customize your own dream home on wheels. The result is a stunning 30.2 feet, 16,500 pounds motorhome fully equipped for a comfortable journey. It includes a spacious bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, seating area, and swivel seats for both driver and co-pilot. You can enhance your experience with the integrated smart system, allowing you to control various features like adjusting the bed, awning, and lights with just the touch of a button. The Space Camper, specially designed for the Tesla Cybertruck. It seamlessly integrates with minimal modifications, maximizing storage without compromising vehicle range. With its onboard air compressor, setting up the camper is quick and convenient. Safety bars and an awning ensure user safety and create a comfortable outdoor living space. Inside, you'll find a space-saving Murphy bed, adjustable reading lights, and adaptable furniture for maximum comfort. Optional upgrades include a sink, cooktop, and folding hitch-mounted outdoor kitchen for a luxurious camping experience. The bed platform transforms into a table or screen for dining or entertainment. Solar panels, a tankless water heater, and a durable roof rack are included for added convenience. Available in sleek black or stainless steel finishes, the Space Camper allows for personalized style preferences. The Morel Grand Empire 26T, redefining luxury RVs. This innovative creation boasts a high-performance chassis, unique energy management systems, and exceptional standard equipment. It offers unmatched space, superior soundproofing, and precise environmental control for year-round comfort. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction stove, dishwasher, and spacious refrigerator. The bathroom features a domestic-style drain, porcelain toilet, and rain shower. The comfortable bedroom comes with a king-size bed, closet, and TV. Beyond comfort, the Grand Empire 26T prioritizes performance and self-sufficiency with a 500L gasoline tank and a counter-rotating steering system. Priced at $1.2 million, this masterpiece represents the ultimate statement in luxurious and independent travel. Meet the CMC Athena motorhome, breaking free from traditional RVs with expansive living quarters akin to some apartments. This luxurious mobile retreat is perfect for racing teams, boasting a spacious bathroom and expansive terrace for entertaining. Despite its compact form, the Athena expands into an impressive 44 feet long and nearly 20 feet wide behemoth in just 30 minutes, thanks to its remarkable engineering. With a chic design and practical features, the Athena is the ultimate mobile haven for those who demand the best. The Vario Signature 1200, the epitome of luxury travel for those who seek the highest standard. Built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz chassis, this 12-meter, 20.6-ton behemoth dominates the road. The Signature 1200 features a massive car garage capable of housing a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Its spacious interior, designed for up to 6 guests, offers every imaginable comfort, including a fully equipped kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. The kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances, while the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom pampers its occupants with a queen-size bed and wardrobe. The KEU Mobile Home, the ultimate solution for those seeking true mobility. This modular, prefabricated house offers a perfect blend of mobility, self-sufficiency, efficiency, innovation, and durability. Constructed with top-of-the-line materials and insulation, the KEU Mobile Home comes fully equipped with the latest technology, ready to be your haven wherever you go. With 4 distinct models inspired by the seasons, winter, spring, summer, and autumn, each offers unique colors and textures while maintaining the brand's signature high quality and comfort. The ETH Electric RV, a groundbreaking collaboration between AC Future and Pininfarina. This sleek electric-powered RV is a revolutionary innovation in eco-friendly transportation within the recreational vehicle industry. Prioritizing environmental responsibility and unparalleled comfort, the F offers a spacious interior reminiscent of a high-end residence, featuring a comfortable living area, modern kitchen, and cozy sleeping quarters. Additionally, the RV incorporates rooftop solar panels for self-sufficiency and reduced reliance on external power sources. Voice-activated and phone-controlled features further enhance the user experience, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable journey. The Micro House, the epitome of high-tech micro-living. Starting at $60,000, this compact yet fully equipped living space packs more technology per square foot than any other competitor. This innovative dwelling provides all the essentials for comfortable living, including a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and living area. Embrace sustainable living with integrated solar panels and a battery backup system. The easily portable Micro House allows for effortless relocation and exploration, with low operating costs and high return on investment, making it a compelling option for those seeking a sustainable, modern, and low-maintenance living solution. Now, meet the POEXGO Grande S1, embodying the spirit of flexible living without compromising on comfort or style. This ingenious creation expands from a compact 140 square feet to a generous 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, offering ample space for living and entertaining. The Grande S1 arrives fully furnished with a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, ready to be your home away from home. Easily towed by an F-250 or similar truck, it can be effortlessly set up on-site within 15 minutes. Built with high-tensile steel and rigid polyurethane, the structure prioritizes durability and safety. Embrace off-grid living with optional solar solutions powered by Renigi. This adaptable masterpiece comes with a price tag of $85,000. The Lightship L1 trailer, a game-changer in the travel trailer industry. Through meticulous design and extensive virtual wind tunnel testing, the L1 achieves a sleek and aerodynamic profile, 3 times more efficient than traditional trailers. This innovative approach not only reduces fuel consumption but also delivers a striking aesthetic sure to turn heads on the road. Measuring a compact 6.9 feet in height during road mode, the L1 ensures easy maneuverability. Upon reaching your destination, a simple button press initiates the camp mode transformation, raising the trailer to 10 feet to reveal a spacious and inviting living area. This versatile interior comfortably accommodates 4 to 6 people, featuring plush seating areas and other amenities. Now, envision the Tesla Semic Concept Visual Dynamics, a captivating vision for the future of luxury travel. This concept transcends the boundaries of a traditional vehicle, seamlessly transforming into a contemporary mobile home equipped with cutting-edge technology. Expanding side panels and illuminating lights showcase the transformation into a haven on wheels. Inside, discover a fully equipped living space featuring a kitchen, lounge area, dining space, sleeping quarters, and a luxurious bathroom with a full-size shower. The ultimate embodiment of convenience, the Tesla Semic Concept even boasts an onboard garage, allowing for the transport of a second vehicle. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition, breaking the mold of traditional RVs with its revolutionary design. This brainchild of Sach Motor effortlessly transforms from a single-story RV into a 2-story haven with a panoramic sunroof. When parked, the expansive main floor offers 200 square feet of living space, including a living room, kitchen, luxurious bar, and bathroom. Ascend the integrated elevator to access the 133 square foot upper level, adaptable as an open sunroof, a tranquil zen room, or a dedicated study. But the V90 Villa Edition doesn't stop there. Step outside to find a convenient pull-out cooking area while LED lighting illuminates your evenings. Immerse yourself in the JBL sound system and utilize the onboard washing machine, kitchenette, and air conditioner for ultimate comfort. The May Cottage by JB Homes, a touch of European charm in the mobile home market. This quaint abode allows you to embrace nature while enjoying the comfort of your own home. With 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, a bathroom, a lounge, and a terrace, the May Cottage offers ample space for relaxation. Polyurethane insulation and underfloor heating keep you warm in cooler climates, while large windows provide breathtaking views. Standing at 8.2 foot tall and weighing 35,200 pounds, the May Cottage is a testament to modern craftsmanship. With over 2,000 units sold across 16 European countries, be prepared for a 4-month wait after placing your order. The Adria Sonic Supreme, perfect for travelers seeking sophistication, performance, and comfort in a camper van. This premium A-Class RV features a sleek exterior and a spacious, luxuriously appointed interior. Choose between two layout options, the 700DC with an island bed and ensuite bathroom, or the 700DL with twin beds and a shared bathroom. Standard features include central heating, a multimedia control panel, a panoramic sunroof, and a smartphone control app for added convenience. With a typical price tag around $114,000, discounts and online deals are often available. The Adria Sonic Supreme offers uncompromising comfort and style for your journeys. The Hymer Galileo, a self-driving electric camper set to revolutionize the camping industry. This innovative concept offers a customizable living space tailored to individual needs and preferences, potentially changing the way we travel and challenging traditional accommodation notions. The Galileo features a spacious layout with essential amenities like a kitchen, sleeping arrangements, a bathroom, and a convertible dining area. Beyond a typical camper, it acts as a self-contained ecosystem, delivered directly to your chosen location via an electric skateboard chassis. Relax and enjoy the journey as the Galileo navigates autonomously. The cabin is equipped with smart technologies, including transparent information displays on the windows and a health monitoring station, enhancing the travel experience. If you've enjoyed exploring these remarkable concepts and gadgets, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy camping!